How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. Okay. So, tell me what you see and how are they?
I see a computer.
Okay.
It's big
Okay.
and it's big.
It's big and what? Tell me something else. It's big. Let's go on.
And soft and I forgot another.
I don't know. It's soft and is it soft the computer?
No, not soft.
How is it?
I forgot soft. It's big.
It's something. Number 2. Take a look at picture number 2. You need to ask a question about number 2.
What's this?
I don't know. Do you remember we saw this in a book? Even on?
How feel it?
Oh, say.
How feel it is? No. Is it true?
No, it's not.
How?
This is, you need to ask a question in a simple present. Do you know what's this first?
I don't know.
This is an arch.
Arch.
Arch. Remember we did the exercise with arch? How does it sound? Number 3. Ask a question.
How does it test?
Okay. How does the rabbit feel? How does the rabbit feel?
It feels soft.
Okay. Does the lemon taste sweet?
No, it's no.
No what? This is simple present question. Does the lemon taste sweet? Answer the question.
Yes.
Yes what?
Yes, that. No. I forgot, yeah.
Does the lemon taste sweet? No, it doesn't.
No, it
Allah Allah. Go girl, read.
The Amazon is one of the most amazing places on earth. It's a rainforest that covers half of South America. The Amazon has been called the lungs of our planet. It makes more than 20% of the ocean. Oxygen Earth needs. This contains the largest collection of plants and animals in the world. In just 3 acres of rainforest, you can find over 715 kinds of trees and
1,500
kinds of plants. The amazing amount of life there is supported by the Amazon River. It is the life giver of the rainforest. This river is second longest in the world and flows from the Andes Mountains to the Atlantic Ocean. In the one part of the Amazon River is over 200 miles. 320 kilometers across. With all this water, it is not surprising that the river also has a large collection of water creatures. There are more than 2 million kinds of 2,000 kinds of fish in the Amazon River, more kinds of fish than in the Atlantic Ocean. The Amazon is an important resource for us on Earth. 1/4 all of medicine is made from rainforest plants, and the rainforest itself is so huge that it actually helps control violent weather on Earth. Our health and the health of the earth itself depends on the Amazon.
Go. Let me just put the date. Okay, go.